Hi guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to bake a strawberry cake along with the strawberry sauce. We're going to go through the benefits of strawberries, what the ingredients are, what the tools are, how to do them and the instructions, and then we're going to do a final taste test. Stay tuned. For the ingredients, we're going to start off with 2 large eggs, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of sour cream, half a cup of grapeseed oil, vegetable oil, or very light olive oil. I'm going to do a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And depending on your liking, strawberries around a box. You also want half a box or just your syrup if you would like that. And also at the very end, you can have some dusting sugar to kind of top off your cake when it's all ready. Feel free to pause the video and take a screenshot. Some of the benefits of strawberries, since we're doing a strawberry cake, includes it being very high in vitamin C, potassium, and magnesium, and also being very high in antioxidants. So we should try to incorporate it, if not in our daily, but our weekly diet. So for the tools we need a 12-inch pan with parchment paper inside. We need a Cuisinart beater, or any beater really works. And we also need a large bowl to be able to mix everything in. First, we are going to preheat the oven to 375 Fahrenheit. In a large mixing bowl, use an electric mixer and beat together the 2 eggs and 1 cup of sugar on high speed for 5 minutes, or until light and thick. Add 1 cup of sour cream, half a cup of oil, 1 teaspoon vanilla, and beat on low until well combined. For the dry ingredients, add the flour, the baking powder, and the salt, and mix it. Now slowly incorporate it into the mixture. Now for the strawberries, you want to clean them and you want to take off the stem. Then you want to dice and half the strawberries. After buttering the pan and putting the parchment paper on it, you want to now pour in half of the batter. Now you want to put in half of the strawberries and spread it around. Now you put the rest of the batter in and you continue to put the strawberries on top, and you want to press them in a little bit just so that it can really get into the mixture. Here's what mine looks like. Be creative. Bake at 375 Fahrenheit for 50 to 55 minutes. This is what it looks like. Now for the sauce, grab your strawberries and your sugar, put it in the blender, and put it on high speed. It's okay if it's runny, that's the kind of consistency we want. Now pour it in and enjoy. It's very yummy on pancakes too. So now we're about to take it out of the oven. Now for the toothpick test. So stick it in and see if it comes out smooth. If it does, then it's cooked. If it doesn't, then it's uncooked. Now that the cake's out of the oven, we want to sprinkle it with some powdered sugar because I think it makes it look really nice. Now for the taste test. So moist. That was it for this video. Thank you for baking the strawberry cake with me, and if you try it, make sure to send me a picture or put a comment under to let me know how it worked out for you.